Hi folks, it's Dr. Christine here again, and I wanted to show you how you find what you're looking for, the app that does what you want. There's two options. You can search if you know what app you want. Say you're looking for our gratitude generators. Here they are, and you just type in the first few letters what you're looking for. You want to do a LinkedIn post. Here's a LinkedIn post creator, Instagram post, Facebook of course. You want to write a blog post, here's our blog writers. So that's pretty easy to find. Now say you want to do something and you are not sure what app will do it. Now I would recommend you ask the AI app platform guide. I made that for you to help you find exactly what you're looking for. Now say we are looking for an app. How can I create a funnel? And it will tell you which apps will allow you to help creating a funnel. And you can ask it anywhere. Use the AI Ultra Fast Funnel Star app it recommends, and I do too. I agree. So we'll do this next and have a look at the demo walkthrough how to use this. It creates a whole funnel automatically. Pretty cool.